Curious about exploring the dark web? In this episode, I'll show you how to access it legally and safely, step by step. But be warned, one wrong move, and you could expose your identity or even land in trouble. So pay close attention. The safest way to access the dark web is by using the Tor browser. Here's how to set it up the right way. First, download Tor Browser from the official website. Next, install and launch Tor. Finally, configure Tor settings for maximum privacy. Never download Tor from third-party sites, they might contain malware. Always verify the URL. Using Tor alone is not enough, you need extra precautions to stay anonymous. Use a VPN before opening Tor. Disable JavaScript in Tor settings, and never use personal accounts like Gmail or Facebook. Without these precautions, your ISP or hackers could track your activity. There are some major do-nots when using the dark web. Breaking these rules can get you hacked, scammed, or worse. Never enter illegal marketplaces. Even browsing could get you flagged. Don't share personal information. No emails, real names, or phone numbers. Avoid downloading files. Many are laced with malware. Do not engage with suspicious sites or people. Scammers and law enforcement monitor certain areas. Stick to legal and safe sites and you'll have nothing to worry about. Now you know how to access the dark web safely without risks. In the next episode, we'll explore some useful and legal websites on the dark web. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.